and a wallet. And them full me like a G a police.
Yeah.
Friend killer them a tell me say a police. From me hear the news, me G alone me no sleep. 6 live for if I tell them we no weak. No. One thing we know, we never take a defeat.
Boom, bang, bang. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tariq Vlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. Now, this is the first video for you guys. Saturday. You hear me? I say. Right now, we have Squash Rebel 6 Fate. It's a tribute. You understand me? It dropped like 3 days ago, or must say 2 days ago. But I'm giving them some time for listen to the song. Then I drop a bad reaction to it. So, you know, for the people, comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. I post every single day, 2 to 3 to 4 times for the day. You understand me? So, we'll see what I'm going for this thing here. You know what I mean? People, you see, if you guys are new on the channel, this is the first video ever seeing my face. Yo, this is the most lit channel on YouTube right now. This is the most lit reaction channel. You understand me? We're taking over the entire Caribbean, so you need to subscribe right now and go check out the channel, check out the playlist. Them have numerous playlists. You see me, I say, especially over training, but them places shot. You see me, I say, I don't know. Everywhere. I place there, I think I can react to song from. We have places like St. Kitts. We have places like Grenada. We have places like Gambia. We have places like Guyana. We have places like St. Luke. We can go on now. We take out the whole Caribbean first. And you know we're going to after. We're going to travel the whole of them. People, we're going to see what going for the song here. This is me, I say, it's a tribute. Dimi. I don't know if Rebel 6 is featured on it. I think he's on it. I'm not sure. I'm going to see what going for the song. Like the video. Comment the fire emoji them. Right now, you scroll to the fire comment section. You go see the fire emoji them. Comment the fire emoji them. Run tune!
Hampton, South Spring, St. Paul, G-Man, Rebel 6, Kaylan, Isis, Dante, Blue Steel, 6 Rail. So we have to stay strong. Oh God, cover me, give me protection. Freya,
alright.
Talby, Amos, TK. Bust a buckle for me, G, strike a light, candle for me, bro. Still got the voice, know them from my phone. Remember when you used to say we are gonna make it out. Put it just in jail. But we steering, yeah, yo. Being what we feel, you know. Put it just Talby, Amos, TK. Bust a buckle for me, G, strike a light, candle for me, bro.
Yeah.
Still got the voice, know them from my phone. Remember when you used to say we are gonna make it out. Put it just in jail. But we steering, yeah, yo. Being what we feel, you know. Put it just in jail. Yeah. They are in a wallet. And them full me like a G a police.
Yeah.
Friend killer them a tell me say a police. From me hear the news, me G alone me no sleep. 6 live for if I tell them we no weak. No. One thing we know, we never take a defeat. Me put me trust in my girl and she ain't up and got cheat. Find out she no real.
Fate can move mountains. I trust the Jah.
Hold up.
For guide me way in this world and everywhere me walk. Fate can move mountains. That one's a belief.
Yeah.
So I keep myself to myself, stay far from bad energy.
Rebel 6 is on this song. Rebel 6 that dog. Nice for that. They might have a song already. No, run tune.
For guide me way in this world and everywhere me walk. Fate can move mountains. That one's a belief. So I keep myself to myself, stay far from bad energy.
Alright then.
Fuck the hype on the fame, no one no attention. No more me lying at the dirt, I get a life sentence. Yeah, me know for well, me wanna beg no more in our gal. Remember when me day a Freeport quote mention. Just know me alone, and my daddy alone. I'm there behind the bars and I wish you go. Me jump out, while if a G, me left asleep on the floor. When I want to come out.
Fate can move mountains. I trust you, Jah.
Yeah, basically, I get a while ago, I say, well, the man them with their praise, that's only Fate. You understand me? I say, we'll go and hold it. No Lego. Yeah, me I say no. Go on.
For guide me way in this world and everywhere me walk. Fate can move mountains. That one's a belief. So I keep myself to myself, stay far from bad energy. Fate can move mountains. I trust you, Jah.
You gotta believe.
Fate can move mountains. That one's a belief. anywhere in this world and everywhere me walk. Yeah, faith can move mountains. That one's a believe.
I was gonna realize part. I see I realize this one when I met to that song, you see me, so when I really go on the extra reaction boss kind of vibes. You understand me? You don't know it's a little vibes. If you go on it's a tribute song, you can't go on to extra. You dig me? You brother I can't drive. But run tune.
So me keep myself to myself, stay far from bad energy.
Cause what?
You gotta believe, you gotta believe, you gotta believe. You gotta believe, you gotta believe, you gotta believe.
Yeah, Martin. Sexy.
Six real. Alright people, thanks for checking out my little video as usual. I don't know chop. You understand? This was a calm little vibe. You know, it's a tribute song, reaction boss. The reaction boss can't go in a boss mode. You see me? So I feel that's what I have meds and the song. No. Yeah. So thanks for checking out the video. I'm gonna try hype up a little more now with a Gold God song. Cause Gold God drop a video so everybody say, yo, a big batty girl in it. You know, so when the reaction boss the girl do what? So that's a post next. You see me? So stay tuned. I'm out. For now.